Hello everyone, very good evening. Today I am going to speak about antenatal visits and antenatal checkup. So how we define antenatal period? Antenatal period starts from confirmation of pregnancy till the onset of labor pains. So what is the aim of antenatal period? Antenatal visits. So main purpose of antenatal visits is to diagnose any pre-existing high risk factor and to correct it, like anemia, hypertension, diabetes, asthma, or any other medical problems, and to improve health of pregnant lady, so that at the end we can have good outcome in terms of healthy mother and baby, and to counsel sympathetically the woman, so that to alleviate her fear towards normal delivery. So what we do during antenatal checkups? What is the purpose of antenatal checkups? So we take her history, then do examination, investigate her, and counsel her about diet and other things. So history includes to check about her particulars like her name, age, height, and weight. To check about her past history, like as I told earlier, to check about her diabetes, hypertension, thyroid, any cardiac problem, tuberculosis, asthma, etc. And if there is any history of smoking, alcohol, or any drug abuse, that we need to check. Then to check about her previous obstetric history, which includes previous birth, what is the previous sex of previous babies, what is the age, what was the mode of delivery, whether it was normal delivery or cesarean section. If it was a cesarean section, then what was the indication for that? Was there any complication in previous pregnancies? And what was her last menstrual period? So that we can calculate her exact gestational age and expected date of delivery. And then to check growth of baby, position of baby, and amount of water around the baby. And then to investigate her, what investigations are needed? It includes complete blood count, random blood sugar, blood group, viral markers, thyroid profile, and serial ultrasounds. Then to advise her about diet, about physical activity, exercise, and about rest, about traveling, about immunization. So diet, we should advise her about to take her nutritious, healthy, and balanced diet, which is rich in iron and protein. And a pregnant woman should take rest of at least 8 hours in the night and 2 hours in a day. Immunization includes tetanus toxoid, hepatitis A, hepatitis B, etc. What should be the schedule for visits? A pregnant woman should see her doctor every monthly in first 7 months, and in 8th month it should be every 15 days interval, and at least weekly in 9th month. To summarize, according to WHO, a woman ought to have at least 4 visits throughout her pregnancy. That's all. Thank you.